ladies and gentlemen, Miss Dolly Parton.
Everybody, how are you? Well, if I had some music, I'd sing you a song about fire. Has anybody got a track down there? Here we go. Hey there. Hey, you shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love could drive a girl insane. You broke my wing, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I laughed at love cause I thought it was funny. You came along and you moved me, honey. I changed my mind, this love is fine. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. As you can see how twisty it is over these big hillsides, but it makes it special, is what makes it special, is that the fire bell rings and kids and their parents are launched forward out of this station, and of course about halfway through the ride they're then launched backwards. That sounds scary to me. Anyway, then you've saved the day, and then you return back to the station in reverse. I've been going backwards most of my life, so that's nothing new for me. But anyway, it is the first family coaster that we found that launches both forward and backwards in the same ride. So it's an exciting ride for kids as well as their parents and their bigger friends. But the little kids get to ride, and that's always great. On the thrill of their lives. So firefighters, are we ready? All right. Well, first of all, how do you like my outfit? Do I fit in with you guys pretty good? Anyway, well, I'm doing my part, so you get that water bucket going. So if you're ready, let's go. Come on, everybody, encourage them. Move a little faster than that. We'll never get this ride going. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there's our first big bucket of water. Come on, guys. We got to get this ride going. I got other stuff to do today. Oh, here they come. Boy, I ain't seen that much action since my barn was on fire. Oh, it should be getting close now. It's going to have to tilt pretty soon. Okay, come on, guys. Come on, guys, come on. Woo, I guess we could encourage them. One. Oh, I think we're going to go. Yeah! Okay, let's see this sucker take off. CD, we got a lot of mountain music and some bluegrass country stuff too. So we're out on what we're calling our Blue Smoke World Tour. We just got back from Australia and New Zealand, and we're going to Europe in June, but we're going to be doing some shows around here in May. So we're going to be doing some American shows. So that's what I'm up to, and trying to get Dollywood kicked off. So y'all get back out on the park. Hope you don't freeze your butts off, which like we are, but at least we're bundled up a little better. But thank you for coming, and just have fun today, and be sure to ride our new Fire Chaser Express. And I will see you later. Okay. season, Mother Africa. So we're so happy to have them, and I mean, there's no way I would try to sing and certainly not dance after all that.